of tea bags stem from precise collaboration of multiple processes. 1. Automatic tea feeding. The tea will be placed on the vibration feeding beam and conveyed to each hopper by lifting machine automatically. Real-time control to achieve centralized tea supply. 2. Tea bag packing. Tea bag packing machine could complete tea measurement continuously and automatically. Filling, tea bag forming, labeling and thread winding, outer bag heat sealing and other functions, one-time packing of inner bag and outer bag, single machine speed up to 100 bags per minute. 3. Online weighing. The finished tea bags enter online weighing machine. Its accuracy is up to plus or minus 0.1 gram. Reject automatically if the weight is unqualified. 4. Metal detection. The weight qualified products enter into metal inspection equipment. Reject automatically if tea bag has metal residues. 5. X-ray detection. The metal qualified products enter into X-ray detection equipment. Reject automatically if tea bag has invaders. 6. Unscrambled tea bags. The tea bags enter unscrambling machine after above 3 detections are qualified to count, stake, unscramble, group tea bags, and feed tea bags into the conveyor belt orderly. 7. Quantity detection. Visually inspect tea bag ropes before entering box. Eliminate automatically if the number is different from set value. Put an end to less loading and more loading. Greatly reduce the original labor intensity. 8. Automatic boxing. Complete the series of functions such as opening boxes, boxing, selling boxes, and so on automatically, according to users' requirements. Flexible customization of 10 to 30 bags per box. The fastest speed is 1 box output per second. 9. Labeling and code printing. Integrate automatic labeling and laser code printing system. Label and print code on boxes. Greatly facilitate customers' batch management. 10. Overwrapping machine for boxes. The finished boxes enter automatic overwrapping machine. Complete overwrapping synchronously and anti-fake tear tap packing. 11. Automatic boxing. Following into automatic cartoning system. One-time completion to open cotton, stake cottons, cottoning, seal cotton, strape. Final products output. 12. Real-time control. Adopt a logic control technique, combine centralized and distributed control. Display operation is real-time, fault alarm is visual. To achieve intelligent sensor networks, comprehensive system control.